What's going on, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Buff. So, I've got my knife, big ass knife, and today I got my hat and my hood on. So, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, as you can see, we have this Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. This is the 5G model. I don't actually think they make any of these phones without 5G. I think the A90 is strictly 5G. So, let's unbox this and let's see what's in the box. First of all, I don't know what this phone looks like at all. I haven't seen any displays, no nothing. And also it's 5G, which yeah, there's 5G now. There's a thing that's actually called 5G now. So yeah, just 5G, isn't it? 5G. Anyway, let's have a little look around this box and see what kind of specs we got. But anyway, first of all, the build quality of the box is pretty good, but obviously they could have done with another tape maybe on this side, because he's kind of pulling out to the side. Gotta put one here, you know, to hold it in place. But the box does look nice, looks premium, you know. Yeah. Anyway, on the sides we got the normal stuff we get. We got the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G logo at the side there. Then we've got nothing on this side. Then we have nothing on this side, and then we have the Miami number on this side and all that. And this is the white version of the A90 5G. I believe it comes in black, white, and this is, I don't know, some kind of greenish color or something like that. I'm not too sure, but no, actually I think it comes in only white and black. I think, yeah, it comes only white and black, yeah, only white and black. But yeah, at the back we just have a little few bit of details, you know. It tells you the phone, it's got an Infinity U display, it's got triple cameras, it's got super fast charging, not fast charging, it's got super fast charging. And then it's got a 5G network based, it's a 5G network based smartphone. It's got an octa-core processor in it, and it's got a 6.7 inch display, and I believe that's bigger than my S10 Plus. My Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is one of the biggest, or obviously one of the biggest smartphones that Samsung make. But I think this might just be a little bit bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S10. I'm not too sure. But anyway, this has also got a 48 megapixel camera. It's got, like I said, it's got 3 cameras. One of them is 48 megapixel, another one is 5 megapixel, and the other one is 8 megapixel, which is for 3 cameras. But the main camera is obviously the 48 megapixel, which is a lot more than you get on the Samsung Galaxy S10 or even on the S series. And then it's got a 32 megapixel front camera. Like, whoa, that's way more than what you get with the S10 Plus. But I mean, the cameras on the S10 and the S series is still amazing. But I'll compare it and see, because this has got more megapixel and that doesn't, so we'll see. And also this has a 128 gigabyte memory. So the phone comes with 28 gigabytes of storage built in, and obviously you can add more memory as well if you want with a SD card or a micro SD card or whatever. And also it's got 6 gig of RAMs built in the phone, so it should be snappy, quick, all that stuff. And then yeah, just behind there you just got all that details and all that information I just read out to you guys. But anyway, let's cut this box open and see what's in the box. Anyway, I've had this phone for a while now, but I just haven't had the time to actually make a video. I was looking at it. Don't forget, this is the knife. Right. Wow. Again, they're still going with the. I think if you remember, yeah, with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing experience, and also the Galaxy Buds unboxing experience as well. I'm gonna have the Galaxy Bud up there, and then obviously I'm gonna have the S10 Plus unboxing up there as well. The little pole. I don't know what side it is. I always get confused. But anyway, you open the box up. The phone is there. That's all you see. All you see is the phone, and then in here is the paperwork, which is pretty cool. So it gets put in here like that, and then you have to, it's got this little thing you pull, and then it comes out. In here we just have a little few details. I'm guessing there's a startup guide and all that stuff. Yes it is. What's this? No. Obviously you got the SIM ejector too, which is there, and then we got your quick start guide, and then you got your warranty card as well, so you can warranty or do whatever you need to do. Let's put that to the side, and then we have the smartphone here. Wow, that looks amazing. I can already, wow, that's probably like the same size as the Samsung Galaxy Note 11. Literally the same size. I mean, it doesn't feel premium at all. I mean, I know it's made out of metal and glass, and it just doesn't have that premium feel to it. It doesn't have that premium feel that the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus or the S series has. It just doesn't have that premium look at all, or feel. But let's put this to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. We got the charging cable. Oh, okay, that's new. I didn't know that. I did not know that. So this has actually got a USB-C cable from the front and the back as well. So this has got a USB-C cable that goes in the phone, and I'm guessing the charging brick has a USB female which goes in there for you to charge the phone. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that, because I know on the Samsung Galaxy S10 it's from USB-C to obviously the normal USB cable that goes into the charging brick. And then having a look at this, no way. I've literally, look what I've just seen this with the headphones. I just literally just saw that, and I was like, wow. Look at the quality of these headphones. Absolutely trash. Look at the headphones. Oh my god, this is what you get in flipping. This is what you'd get with the Samsung Galaxy S3. If you guys remember that phone. This is kind of the cable you get with the Samsung Galaxy S3. Well, apart from it's got the USB female port. So then you got your ear tips to fit the comfort of your ears, but this phone doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, does it? I don't even want to look at it. Wow. I was actually kind of debating keeping this phone for a while because it's a 5G phone, so Samsung would have done something nice with it. And then sweet, this is the charging brick. Obviously you got that USB-C female adapter on the top for you to plug it in to charge it, and obviously you still got the moving parts. So it's nice and easy to pack away when you're going traveling or whatever. So it's not bulky or anything like that. But yeah, put that to the side. Let's get to the smartphone. Yeah, there's no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack at all. All you got is literally the side buttons, which is I think that's the lock button, and that's the volume rocker up and down, and then you got the SIM injectors there, and then this one doesn't have an AUI blaster. Wow, this one is not really even all that at all. Wow. And then obviously you got the USB-C charging port there, and then you got your speaker grills on the right there. But let's take this off. Wow. This phone is surprising me, man. This was not what I was expecting at all. I was not expecting this, guys. Honestly, I was not expecting this at all. This is completely new. I mean, don't get me wrong, the phone looks absolutely beautiful and premium. Well, like I said, I mean, I've taken all the plastic off, so yeah, it does feel a little bit more premium. Well, I don't really like the design of the back at all. See the different color contrast. You got the nice gloss white here, then you got a matte white, no, a matte white finish on the bottom part, and then on this side we've got like a cream and then a shiny color going on there. I don't understand. And obviously you got the 3 cameras at the back, which is cool, and then the flash. And then it's got like this nice little flicker. It's depending on the lighting position. It changes colors, but that's only on the gloss white side. I mean, I think it'd be better if they made the whole thing either gloss black. I mean, no, gloss white or matte white or something like that. Let's power this on. At the moment, I'm not liking this phone at all. As you can see, you got the welcoming thing there saying the 5G. At the moment, I mean, it's a big phone. It's a big phone. Obviously, you got the notch there at the front as well. I'll just let the screen come on so you can see the notch properly. But this phone is a lot bigger. That, you see the notch over there at the top? They call it the teardrop notch. But it's quite a bit. It's a big phone. It's a very big phone. It's quite a big phone. Let me just quickly set this up quickly so you guys can see what the phone offers. It's actually quite a big phone. I mean, big props to it. The screen to body ratio is just absolutely amazing. Literally, the chin is not too bad. The top is just on point. The sides is on point. I mean, the amount of bezel on the top and the sides are pretty much the same, but the chin is just a little bit, because obviously they need the space to put that USB thing there, and the speaker grills. But let's just try and get in. This phone is absolutely huge. 6.7. Oh, the phone's alive. 6.7 inches is actually a big phone. I mean, look at back in the day. The biggest phone you'd ever get back in the day was 5.5 inches. But they've stepped it up and we're getting 6.7 inches. Wow. I mean, I remember back in the days, 5.5 inches was massive. Literally huge. I couldn't even get my hands around it. But now we got 6.7 inch displays. It's just amazing. It's a bit of a mad one. But yeah, it looks clean. It's just normal operating Android. It's got the Android Pie on it, so it's just normal. I mean, it's nice and quick. There's nothing much to see here, to be honest with you, because I'm not really that impressed, to be honest with you. I mean, the only thing I like about the phone is the bezels. I mean, the teardrop notch doesn't bother me that much. It's not too bad, but obviously, yeah, it's not really. The phone's not really my type of phone. I'll just stick with the S series. I was gonna move on to the A series and see what's going on there, but I think I'm gonna stick with the S series. But anyway, guys, hope you've enjoyed that video. Please, if you have, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload a video. But yeah, look down there below in the description section below. You can follow me on Facebook, my Twitter, all that. But yeah, that's been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, which I don't really like. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.